Welcome to another training video from Tam Plenus. This time, we will be focusing on spermidine. Today, many people are not just looking to live longer. They want to stay healthy, active, and productive as they age. This is exactly why spermidine has become one of the most exciting topics in modern longevity research. Spermidine is a naturally occurring substance in the body, more specifically, a polyamine. It is found in almost all cells and plays an important role in key biological processes such as cell growth, cell division, and cellular repair. One of spermidine's most important functions is its ability to activate autophagy, the body's natural cellular cleansing and recycling process. What is autophagy? Autophagy can be thought of as the cell's own recycling system. During this natural cleansing process, damaged or no longer needed cellular components are broken down, recycled, and converted into usable energy and building blocks for the cell. However, as we age, this process becomes less efficient. As a result, harmful waste products and damaged cellular components can accumulate within the cells, which have been associated with various age-related changes and declines in cellular function. An increased intake of spermidine signals cells to enhance these important cellular cleansing and recycling processes. As a result, cellular health and regeneration may be supported, while age-related cellular changes can be positively influenced. Spermidine is essential for our body. This is why this polyamine is naturally produced by the body itself. Around 1/3 is produced directly within our own cells. Another third is produced in the gut by the bacteria of our microbiome. The remaining third should be obtained through our diet. Foods particularly rich in spermidine include certain vegetables, selected mushrooms, aged cheeses, natto, and wheat germ, the natural source used to produce spermidineLIFE. Unfortunately, many foods today contain significantly lower levels of natural nutrients and spermidine than they did in the past. This is due, among other factors, to industrial food processing, depleted soils, and intensive farming practices. As a result, many people in Western countries have a suboptimal intake of spermidine. Studies suggest that higher spermidine levels are associated with a longer healthy lifespan. Numerous preclinical studies have demonstrated significant lifespan extension in various organisms, with increases of up to 20%, depending on the species studied. In humans, epidemiological studies have also shown a clear association between higher dietary spermidine intake and increased life expectancy. Today, spermidine is considered one of the most promising and extensively researched natural compounds in the field of healthy aging and longevity. It is not a short-lived trend, but rather an increasingly well-established scientific topic with tremendous future potential. Particularly noteworthy are two major meta-analyses that evaluated more than 270 different longevity compounds. Among them, spermidine showed one of the strongest positive associations with healthy aging and longevity. Both the growing body of scientific evidence and its excellent safety and tolerability profile make a compelling case for spermidine as a key compound in longevity research. Spermidine, scientifically studied effects on health and longevity. Here you can see an overview of studies conducted in collaboration with renowned universities and research institutions, including Oxford, Charité Berlin, and the University of Graz. spermidineLIFE was the first spermidine-containing dietary supplement on the market. It was developed and researched by the Longevity Labs, a spin-off of the University of Graz, under the scientific leadership of Professor Dr. Frank Medeo, one of the world's leading researchers in the field of spermidine and autophagy. To this day, spermidineLIFE remains the world's only officially approved spermidine product with novel food authorization in the European Union. This authorization was a crucial milestone as it made human studies, scientific studies involving people, possible in the first place. As a result, a large part of today's scientific evidence is based on the patented Celvio extract from spermidineLIFE. Spermidine is now considered one of the most intensively researched substances in the field of healthy aging and longevity. Numerous studies show that spermidine can support various organ systems and help counteract age-related changes. Neurodegeneration and brain health. Studies show that spermidine can support cognitive performance and the health of nerve cells. Spermidine is being intensively researched, particularly in the field of healthy brain aging. Metabolism and metabolic health. Spermidine can positively influence various metabolic processes, support healthy fat metabolism, and promote metabolic health. Muscles, bones, and joints. As we age, muscle strength, mobility, and bone stability naturally decline. Studies suggest that spermidine can support cellular regeneration, as well as the function of muscles, bones, and joints, thereby positively influencing mobility and physical performance. Skin, hair, and cellular regeneration. The effects of spermidine are also evident in skin and hair cells. Studies suggest that spermidine can support skin renewal, wound healing, as well as hair and nail growth. Of particular interest is the fact that spermidine may support and prolong the anagen phase, the active growth phase of the hair. Many users report longer, stronger, fuller, and healthier-looking hair, new baby hairs, and an overall improvement in hair structure. When it comes to hair, spermidineLIFE is one of the products that has generated some of the most impressive feedback from our customers. Try it for yourself, ideally with the high-dose spermidineLIFE Pro Plus, containing 6 milligrams of natural spermidine. Cardiovascular system. Observational studies show that people with a higher spermidine intake often have a lower risk of age-related cardiovascular changes. Immune system. Spermidine can support healthy immune function and positively influence inflammatory processes. This is why spermidine is now being intensively researched in the field of healthy immune aging. Longevity and healthy aging. The central focus of spermidine research is the support of healthy aging and the extension of the healthy lifespan, the so-called health span. Through the activation of autophagy and the support of cellular regeneration, spermidine is now considered one of the most promising natural longevity substances. That was a brief overview of the fascinating world of spermidine and longevity. If you are interested in further information and the latest scientific findings, we highly recommend our webinar on spermidineLIFE. Current research is also investigating the potential role of spermidine in menopause, type 2 diabetes, metabolic health, body weight, and visceral adipose tissue. About the products, as a general recommendation, we suggest starting with the high-dose spermidineLIFE Pro Plus. It contains 6 milligrams of natural spermidine per daily serving, the highest currently approved daily dosage available. One package contains 30 sachets, providing a 1-month supply. The recommended use is simple. Mix 1 sachet daily into a small amount of water, or, ideally, shake it well in a small bottle. The taste is pleasantly mild and relatively neutral. Afterwards, spermidineLIFE Pro Plus can either continue to be taken at this dosage as part of a premium longevity protocol, or you can switch to a lower maintenance dose. The following options are available. spermidineLIFE Boost Plus contains 3 milligrams of natural spermidine per sachet and is ideally suited as a medium dosage for long-term use. spermidineLIFE 365 Plus. The convenient capsule version containing 1 milligram of spermidine per capsule. The recommended intake is 2 capsules daily and is particularly suitable for individuals who prefer capsules. New in the range, spermidineLIFE Memory Plus. This product combines spermidine with high-quality brahmi and saffron extracts. Both plant extracts are known for additionally supporting concentration, memory performance, and cognitive function. Spermidine protocols in a 3-month cycle. Here is a summary of the intake protocols. The standard protocol. You start with spermidineLIFE Pro Plus and then switch to a lower dose maintenance protocol for 2 months. Or the premium protocol. Here, 6 milligrams of spermidine per day is taken continuously. Current scientific data suggests that the recommended dosage is gaining importance as more studies become available and may potentially be increased further in the future. Both protocols can be continued long-term without any break in intake. In addition, they can be combined very effectively with NAD Life Energy Plus to optimally support cellular health and the healthy aging concept. Why spermidineLIFE? spermidineLIFE was the first spermidine-containing dietary supplement on the market and remains the world's only officially approved spermidine product with novel food authorization. As a result, groundbreaking human studies using the patented Celvio complex have been published in collaboration with renowned universities and research institutions. In addition to spermidine, the natural Celvio complex contains other valuable polyamines such as spermine and putrescine, as well as healthy fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Many other spermidine products neither guarantee a standardized spermidine concentration nor the same level of quality, and many are produced synthetically. Learn more in our blog at www.tam-plenus.ch/en/blog. This is why spermidineLIFE stands today for natural quality, scientific research, and modern longevity from within the cell. Don't forget the webinar. Scan the QR code now. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you every success with spermidineLIFE. With scientifically developed and clinically studied solutions such as spermidineLIFE, you can actively influence how you age for greater vitality, greater strength, and more healthy years of life. Your Tam Plenus team.